Can't keep them though.
Right, this one is one of our Gyrfalcons, and this one is a hybrid. In other words, it's a cross. The Gyrfalcon is one of the largest of the falcon family. I'm all dizzy there, going round 3 times. Whoa. The Gyrfalcon is a bird which was used and still is used by the Chinese. The Chinese still use them for hunting duck, geese, swans. They're sitting in a little dugout, and what will happen is that the birds will come in to land, and they'll have a Gyrfalcon, which they'll let off. The Gyrfalcon will actually go catch the duck and kill the duck. And they're one of a few birds which actually can swim. So they've got the air sac, in other words, they breathe in, and the air sac's there, it's just like wearing an armband on the side. So they can actually swim, so can awestruck and snowy owls, they can swim. So this is what this one would be used for. And on ice caps, these birds can stay on ice caps, and what they do is they'll stay around about 10 months of the year. They'll normally feed on seagulls of anything that description, but normally they'll feed off polar bears, what they've left, so carrion. Any carrion off a polar bear or arctic fox, anything that description, they then will feed off that. Then they sit in the ice caps, and then the next year they'll go and feed here. And then 2 months a year they'll come back to land. 2 months a year when they come back, they actually then reproduce and then go back out to sea. So these are the first bird on level flight. So in the wild, these birds will
Here,
actually Falcon on the level flight is from the young, and therefore this is and these can fly around about 80 miles an hour on level flight. The Pelican Falcon on the land, Pelican right. Boy. The Pelican Falcon on the land into a normal speed, fly in a stoop, which comes down in a stoop, and that's where that bird actually builds the speed. So if you can sit down, please, and what happens is the bird will actually come between you over a mouthful of bird. Now, the Gyrfalcon, this one, as I say, is a hybrid. And
نمیخوره بهت هست نمیگه
he put my hips out many times about it. Gyrfalcon, as I say, is a bird. The Arabs at the moment in Dubai, places like the Pelican Falcons, the Arabs is actually paying anywhere up to £25,000 for a Pelican Falcon. We can't afford that. Keep still, over the top of your head. When it comes to a Gyrfalcon, are you trying to get me or something?
Yes.
If it's a Gyrfalcon and it's pure white or pure black, the Arabs at the moment are paying anywhere up to 500,000. So we can't compete with that.
Sell it.
She was trying to get me.
All right.
I'm trying to get them on the end.
Keep
Trying to
going.
get a headband.
It's okay, his mouth's still shut.
Why do you want it?
Still female, is it? His mouth. Did you get that?
Not like having hair.
What do you mean having hair? Since you had hair, I think your head's on upside down.
Hey!
It's very
No.
overrated.
Beats up, now he's getting a bit
No,
tired.
he's alright, just keep him going.
Okay, keep going.
He needs to be fit. He needs fitting up.
So do I.
What it is because of the bird flu, we're limited to what will fly. This is why we've been in the marquee. And we're limited to what will fly. As you can see, this one is a bird which will steer north. Oh, if we were to fly Apollo, which is a peregrine, the Apollo would actually go anywhere between 6 and 8 miles. So therefore, he would actually be going out into the areas where the birds are going. So at the moment, it's keeping going, because what's happening is the last 2 or 3 days we're been not flying as much due to the bird flu. He's actually he's a bit lazy, so we keep him going. I keep an eye on the bird. I'm not like a woman, I can't multitask.
Hey, come on!
He's not reaching.
He's not, is he?
He's not reaching for it.
No, keep an eye on him. There you go. When you wait till he gets it down a little bit further. Go on, keep going. Just getting under your exercise, really. He
I
needs
think
it.
it's Andy that's getting tired.
No, he's not.
Blue's fine.
Right, once more. Bring me in, Andy. Rubbish.
He's showing off, isn't he? Everyone look at me.
Good, well done and not him. Yeah, put your coat on before you get pneumonia.
Well, that's how it's done, love, your turn.
That's all there is to it.
Yeah. Now, if you look at the bird now, the bird is actually what they call mantling. The bird's doing that with the feathers, and mantle
Once he gets
what
going,
we
he's
use, which is a mantle piece, which mantles your fire, comes from birds of prey.
It's too cold and all, it's not
Bird
good for anything.
on the back, Alex,
You can get a bit closer if
Alex
you want, mate.
is
Just,
your big toe, and that's what comes
just stop
from
walking when
birds
it
of
grabs onto your
prey.
leg.
And if you look at the tail of the crane, that's where it comes from your wedding dress. The crane and the wedding dress comes from birds of prey.
Don't try taking his food off him. He gets upset.
Right, so thanks very much. I hope you've enjoyed that. Anybody who came in this morning or not here now,
Because he'll have that one, he'll have another one to come up to the glove, and then he'll get some more later. Now there's a saying that we use now, it's been corrupted, but it originates in falconry, is a fit bird. He started eating very quickly after he'd gone on the ground, which meant he was a fit bird. But of course it's been corrupted now.
Not in their ass.
There's a lot of sayings that we use in everyday language have their origins in falconry. Don't come any closer. Yeah, well what he does is he takes the head off first, and then he goes in, gets the heart, liver, the lungs, all the high protein stuff, then he'll get the rest of the meat.
Clever.
And the legs are the last. Yeah. Yeah, well what he does is he takes the head off first, and then he goes in, gets the heart, liver, the lungs, all the high protein stuff, then he'll get the rest of the meat.
Clever.
And the legs are the last. Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that.
Oh, I didn't realize there was a whole chicken.
Yeah, look, that's the whole chicken. Everything else.
so you get as many photographs as you can.
Anybody hungry?
No, I'll try to get
I'd
them.
prefer the
I've got a tooth here which has got to come out on Tuesday, and I've got an abscess on this one. You know what the wife said this morning?
No.
I've got some nice steak for you You've never got to chew it.
Come on.
I said, you're going to chew it for us.
No, yes.
So what you do is with your birds of prey, or we do with our birds of prey, we obviously bring them into the lower, but we make the bird fly back up to the glove. That's to give them the food. Now that is in case he decides to go off if he's too heavy, and if we see him, he's going to come to the glove. If you pick him up off the ground, he would sit on the ground in long grass or whatever, you just sit there, and he could see you and he'd go, well, I'm not moving.
Should I put his wings off?
Put his wings off?
Yeah.
Do you want,
It's
which feathers did you want?
Why?
No, just taking the area off. I'm not taking your chick off yet.
No, if you're.
Boy.
That's the aerial system. Now some of our birds chew them off, and when they do, they're £100 each.
Wow.
So when you fly in the falcon like that, if he was to land over there on the tree and he bites it off, you've got the phone and you're like this going, he's there in that tree, and all of a sudden he's going right away around there and he comes in from behind, hits you on the back of the head. And it's like, what was that? You saw that's up there. So we actually lost about 2 or 3 of these through the birds chewing the
Do they always
system.
come back?
Sorry?
Do the birds always come back?
Yeah, always come back. Always come back. Because they're unreared, it's home.
Yeah.
If you buy birds which what you call parent reared, a parent reared bird is a bird which you would get around about 5 to 6 months old. So its parents has already shown it all the bad habits. So if you get a bird at 6 months old, it's fully grown. So if you're getting a bird this big, like a European eagle or that big, and he's totally wild, it just wants to rip you to bits and take your eyes out. So it's just not going to sit in a glove because it's never been on a glove. So if you get them at 2.5 weeks, normally I put them in my coat when they're babies, and then when I'm walking around talking, suddenly the head pops out and I don't see what's going on. And people go, what's that? And then it goes underneath the armpits where it's warm. So you walk about with a bird stuck on your armpit when you're doing the show.
I noticed all the crows over here started disappearing.
Yeah. When they get fully grown, like the Ferrugia stork, if you go get the Ferrugia stork and you pick them up, the first thing he does is she gets hold of your zip, she tries to pull the zip down and to get inside. I said, no, you're too big, you can't get in there now, because they remember that they were in your coat. But it's normally barn owls or tawny owls, you stick them in there, you know, one under the arm, and you just stand there and you talk in your coat.